say these things. I don't know if you can see it. Okay. As you can see, it's quite quiet because it's the platinum model. There's a full battery. Okay, let's go. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. Hang on. Adjust it. Okay, let's move down a bit then. Sweet. Hopefully it's in the view, not sure. Go left with the right stick, to the left. Whoa there! Right with the right stick, all the way to the right. Down with the left stick. Okay. Obviously I got no phone on it, so I can't see the footage. But say you want to take a camera, just press the top button, look. Tick, tick, tick. Video this one, red. Ah, shit. Yeah, just red one. Right. Right, see. I'll show you spin around. Hang on. Show you spinning around. Left stick goes anti-clockwise. I'm going to try to get it real close to you so you can see on the video. Okay? So then we go forward with the kind of straight a bit. That's the thing, if it's in reverse, it's a bit trickier, so we're going to come straight in. Alright, just going to triangle it in. It's a bit fucking windy, so just go this way a bit. So I want to go left, so it looks like I'm going right and all that. So come in. I come in. Hopefully you can see. If you can't see any of this shit, this video is quite useless. Alright, so you see the red light? Red light say, don't look at me. You get the green light. Green light is what should be facing you all the time because that's what represents the stick. Okay, it's getting close to my head now, so I'll just come over here and then I'll come down a little bit. And then I'll just show you how you do donuts in the Mavic Pro Platinum. Ready? And then you go, oh, figure eight. You can do figure eights and boxes and that, but someone to buy this probably know it all anyway. So I would just shoot this up. I'll go low, hang on. It won't let me land because obstacle. You can't see it, but ready? I'm going to shoot it up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Fucking see you later. And it's got elevation now. Elevation 21 meters. I don't know if you can see. Oh, low battery. Righto, bring it down, mate. Righto. And here she comes in for landing. So you got the red flash now. Don't know if you can see the red flash. Red flash when you got, I think, 15% or 30% battery. So makes you bring it home. So I just landed now. Boom, boom. Alright, we just landed it back on the table, mate. Because it wouldn't let me launch in the grass because it had too much obstruction. The grass needs mowing. Normally I land quicker, but because I'm trying to show you front on, it's back to front as I said before. Okay, you just hold it down, and it just senses the bottom and it lands. See, just hold it down, and that's it. Then you turn it off, double press on the battery. Shut it down. 1, 2, hold. Beepity beep pop. Alright, that's off. And same thing on the transmitter, double press. Don't know if you can see it. And that's it. Yeah, so it's got like 50, probably 59 hours on the bloody 59 minutes on the run clock, so very low Ks. And this is where you put the phone in. Put the phone in there. I can't do it with you because you are the phone. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so just I'll show you how it clips back together. It's very simple, basic. Just chuck it in the case. So what you do first, you bring around the rear arms, fold her in. Oh, yes, jam it in. Same one at the back. Flip it up towards the front. Flippity flip. Don't touch the lens, otherwise you're gonna have a bad time. All right. And also, when I fold it up, I don't. I try not to touch underneath too much because it's got all the sensors and that for the obstacle dooby stuff, all the magic technology. And then the last thing you do, see how it's jiggle because gimbal. Hang on, I'll be back. Then what you do now, oh shit, open the fucking door too much. What you do now, you got the little holder, dooby. This goes in. There's there we go, I can't remember now. It's been a long time. It goes in there like this. Oh yeah. You sit it in this bad boy. Is it this way? This has always been my challenge. I had this on the Inspire. Used to send a long time. No, it's this way. Oh, this is gonna look bad. It doesn't look like I know what I'm doing, but probably because it's true. Yeah, I think it's how I had it before. Just go like this. Once again, do not touch the lens ever, unless you're ND filter. ND filter will in the book it show you. I didn't take any notice today how it comes on and off, so that's why I look like a bit of a Gumby at the moment. Oh, here we go. There you go. So you slot it in the hole there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a bit fiddly. And then bang. See how it's not all gimbally. And you put this on, the clear one for the case, so it doesn't scratch the screen, the lens. And then, if you're a good owner, you keep the bloody gangster. Now, also, yeah. Then I'll put the rubber thing in the case. The rubber's a bit useless because you've got the dome, but yeah, that's it. For sale, $13.50 Onio. And of course, don't forget to lowball me because I've got nothing better to do than say, oh, I can't go that low. But no, hopefully someone buy it, have good. One last kicker, free shipping, Australia-wide. All right, peace out. I accept PayPal, friends and family, cash, bank transfer, and yeah, no swaps. Okay, see ya.